everybody. Welcome in. We're just coming into this small little town, Hannibal, Missouri. It's really neat. It is actually the hometown of Mark Twain, the author of Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. And we're just going to go down here into this little parking lot and put the drone up for a little bit, catch some river view. Got the paddle boat, ferry boat out there. We're going to catch some train videos and meet a really neat couple. So come on along, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. So we're just going to go right up on this little hill here. This is this couple we met. And that's Tyler Kimbrowski, his beautiful wife, and their baby girl. Really neat couple, happy to meet them. So here we go, we're going to just check out this paddle boat going up. We're just going to go up to the bridge and turn around. First we're going to catch this train coming in. I love to get train videos, especially with the drone. We don't get to see that too often out here in the Southwest, you know, not where I live in Las Vegas. I guess I could catch some train videos, but that'd be over towards the west side of town. So I'm out closer to Lake Mead and Hoover Dam out in Henderson. So anyways, this is the Mississippi River. On your left side here is Missouri, and on the right side is the great state of Illinois where I grew up. I don't know how great it is now with the high taxes and everything, but that's another video. Let's just check this out. Enjoy a little music here. You can take little cruises on that boat if you want. That's the muddy Mississippi right there. So it's a lot wider down south. We're here in central Illinois, central Missouri, but you can go down towards St. Louis. The river's much wider down there, a lot more traffic, a lot busier on Interstate 40. Or 44, I guess it is, right through there. Alright, let's fly back down here and check this boat out. Let's get a close look up at this. Walk the plank out there on the front. Oh, I guess that's where people get on the boat at. Walk the plank. I don't know, I've never gotten in the water in the Mississippi. Maybe I did whenever I was a kid. We used to have our family reunions down in southern Illinois, Cairo, Illinois. The Duke of Kentucky right there. Anyways, I'm going to take you guys over here in just a moment and show you where this old lighthouse is with a nice statue of Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. So right down there on the bottom is that little statue there, and then they got these stairs that go all the way up. You can take these steps all the way up here to the old lighthouse. Of course, I don't think that lighthouse will do very much good on the river now with all them big trees that grew up around it. But it is a nice lookout point, and it's neat to go up there. Quite a few steps. Wore my butt out, I'll tell you that. Got me exhausted. I see a red door and I want to paint it black. A little bit of Rolling Stones there. Alright, let's take a little cruise back out over the river real quick, okay? Hope you guys are enjoying the video. This is it's my motorcycle trip. Took in July out to Illinois where I grew up. Visited some family, went over into Indiana, and then headed on back. Right now we're headed out to the little trip in Illinois. This is downtown. There's the Mark Twain Hotel. This is a nice little town. Just a little bit further to your left right there was a campground. Debbie and I stayed out 2 or 3 different times whenever we'd come into town. Nice small town. Here's Main Street. I'm going to give you a little close-up view of this here on my motorcycle in just a moment. Take you down by Mark Twain's old childhood home and everything. There we go. Go down Main Street and take a look. Nice little shops, just like any little touristy area, you know. You got your little shops there, gift shops, restaurants, and whatnot. Take you all the way down here to the end of Mark Twain Hotel, and we'll cut around and cut back, alright? Anyway, just beautiful getting out, beautiful weather in mid-July. Had a great time. I was gone for 10 days. Now I'm back home. Been home for about a week or so, and got all the oils changed on the motorcycle and ready to head out to Sturgis. Going to be heading to Sturgis in about 5 more days. Take off on August 6th, so yeah, 5 more days. So check out them old cars there. I just love the old cars. Alright, here's Mark Twain's old house here. Drive right up there. I just ride around like I know what I'm doing. Ride down there like I own the place. I ain't gonna stick around long, you know. Don't let the cops come down there and hassle me. Alright, that's the old place. Let's get out of here. Look at that big cup of coffee. Well, I could use one of them right about now. Alright, there's that lighthouse down at the end of the road. Get a better view of that statue of Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. That's right.
And you can walk all those steps up there to the lighthouse if you choose to.
Alright guys, we're going to head out of town right here, and I want to just say thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's ride this on out, okay? We'll be at Illinois in just a moment, and I'll see you there on the next one. Alright, have a great day. Peace.